Hello there and welcome to this Chat GPT course. I'm very excited about this course. Because I've been testing this for the past 2 weeks now. And let me be honest with you, this is just amazing. Some of the stuff that this Chat GPT software can do just blew my brains off, metaphorically, because I need to be politically correct. Okay, so this course will teach you how I personally, as a Udemy instructor and as a blogger, and you as well as a developer, whatever you are doing can actually be multiplied by this tool. Is just crazy what it can do. I'm just happy because for the first thing, the reason why I'm happy is because this will enable me not only to 10x my productivity, but it's going to help me 100x my productivity. And you're going to see that. Some of you might be a little bit skeptical, thinking, what is this guy talking about? This guy's just saying this stuff. Well, when you hear some things such as Microsoft has actually invested $1 billion in ChatGPT or in OpenAI, because ChatGPT is an AI that was created by ChatGPT, but by OpenAI, I'm sorry, but it was funded by Microsoft, $1 billion. And so some of the numbers that we're going to go through is just really crazy, and the most important part is how easy it is. And let me tell you, it's just you and your mind, and there's no limit to how you can use this. You basically can use it in every single sense of the world. Whether you are a developer, a coder, an artist, a psychologist, a lawyer, you can do whatever you want with it. It's just crazy. And the thing is, I don't know if it's going to stay in the beta version for free forever, but I'm taking full advantage of it. As a matter of fact, here it is. I've been asking a lot of questions, and I've been doing a lot of stuff. And just today, I've posted about 20 blogs on Medium, which is normally 10 times more than the amount of blogs that I can post per day. And it allowed me to actually post 20 blogs. So if I take you to my Medium account right now, you'll be shell-shocked to see how many blogs I was able to post. So here are the stories. Just today, this morning, I only had about 28. Right now, I got 48. So it's just crazy. And just look at the quality of the articles that this can write. This is an article that I have just written, or that ChatGPT helped me to write 99%, of the text. And here it is. So this is a promotional, I would say, blog for one of my courses about Amazon and about affiliate marketing. And this is what ChatGPT gave me, right? Of course, the images were not generated by ChatGPT, but I can show you another AI that you can also use to generate crazy images. You can generate any image you want. And you can generate book covers. If you're a designer, you design book covers with Canva, you can get this tool to generate a book cover for you in a matter of 30 seconds. And you can go and sell it as a freelancer. It could generate YouTube thumbnails. It's just crazy what this AI or these AI tools can do. I'm a web developer, so talking from the background of a web developer, blogger, engineer, all these things, and also as content creators. So obviously, I'm creating content, putting it on Udemy. So I'm a content creator as well. Put that on the table, and it's just amazing. I'm so excited. I'm so excited for what you guys are about to learn here in this course. Now, I'm going to try to make it as concise as possible for you, but let's go back to Wikipedia just for me to show you when ChatGPT was created, actually. And it was created only 36 days ago. So on November the 30th, it was released. I was one of the late people to it. Some people are not going to know that it exists because not everybody's a techie, not everybody's interested in tech. But if you're interested in something that can help you 10x whatever you're doing right now, this is the tool for you. And I'm going to show you how I personally am in love with ChatGPT just after 2 weeks of using it. I've become almost like an addict right now. I'm just asking questions left and right, and I'm basically only doing about 90% of what I was doing. Now, of course, I'm afraid that this might, if I lose the tool, I'm gonna be sad. And let me tell you, if they charge me $50 a month to use ChatGPT, I'm going to pay that money. I don't care, because this is just amazing. So, like I said, ChatGPT was created by OpenAI, and it's a chatbot, but it's more than that, actually. If you think it's just a chatbot that answers your questions, just outthink it or think ahead. Because let's say that you are, having an Excel exam, right? You can ask it questions about, please give me the function that does X and X and X and X plus X and X and X in Excel. And it will give you the answer. So basically, pretty much, if you want to have a 20, mark, I don't know what the marks are, for exams in other countries, but I'm talking for my country. If you want to have the best mark as a coder, you can use ChatGPT to generate code. You can use ChatGPT to generate, to help you with very sophisticated operations, mathematical operations. You can help it for conversions. Now, it's just crazy. It's just crazy what we're getting into. Now, this is the introduction, right? So this is just the introduction. Of course, I'm going to go ahead and keep ranting about this ChatGPT model here. And hopefully that you are hooked, from the beginning of the course, because trust me, if you miss this out, you're really missing something huge. I'm blown of my mind right now. I'm just blown of my mind about this.